Problème 5, on cherche le champ électrique à l'intérieur d'un cylindre dont la charge est uniformément répartie dans son volume. Alors, on cherche le champ pour une valeur de rayon inférieure à grand R, R étant le rayon de ce cylindre. Alors, pour une certaine longueur de ce fil, appelons-la L, mais elle disparaîtra dans le traitement. Alors, le flux sortant d'une surface de gaz de rayon petit r par unité de longueur de fil est égal à l'intégrale de surface de E scalaire dA, toujours divisé par la même unité de longueur. Mais c'est aussi égal à la charge intérieure, Q sur L, divisé par epsilon 0. Puisqu'il y a une symétrie circulaire dans le cylindre, alors en tout point, le champ électrique est perpendiculaire à la surface de gaz. Donc l'intégrale peut se résumer à E scalaire A, A étant l'air de la surface de gaz cylindrique, et c'est encore égal à la charge intérieure sur epsilon 0. Nous, on cherche le champ électrique, donc on peut l'isoler pour obtenir charge intérieure divisée par l'air de la surface de gaz et par epsilon 0. La charge intérieure, si elle est répartie uniformément dans le cylindre, peut se trouver par la densité volumique de charge, ρ fois le volume de la surface de gaz, et toujours divisé par l'air de la surface de gaz, l'air extérieur, divisé par epsilon 0. Alors pour le volume, on peut remplacer par πr carré, l'air de la base du cylindre fois la longueur du cylindre, et l'air de la surface de gaz par 2πr, le périmètre de la base du cylindre de gaz fois la longueur. Alors L effectivement disparaît, pi également se simplifie, et on obtient une valeur de champ électrique de ρ petit r sur 2 epsilon 0.
It's the Cali life. It's the Cali life.
California lifestyle.
It's the Cali life.
Bang, bang, money gang.
It's the Cali life.
DPG.
It's the Cali life.
4 blunts to the brain, baby Snoop Dogg. White girl on the blade, she from Utah. We get it, Master Kush from the weed clinic. That pretty car, Prezi tinted, that's me in it. Smoke weed AD, hey dog. They say life is a game and I play it hard. Went from a street rapper to the limelight. Couple G's on my neck and it shine bright. I'm dedicated to the critics who don't know me. I'm still a best player, underrated like Kobe. High to the day I retire. You smoking on stress weed while I'm choking on 5 hours. 8 years in the tree picking low quads. 10 years later it was me in the dope spot. Run up on a nigga like me, you hope not. My niggas gang bang and they'll aim at your top.
Cali life living, mind on my in them. Bitches, switches, everybody in them. From Ocean Boulevard all the way to the shop. Catch me at the mall with a flock full of eyes. Ain't nothing changed, still sunny days. Ooh, it's just that West Coast living. Ain't changed, Cali life man. Ooh, it's just that West Coast living.
And there ain't no telling what Mac Luch selling. California hustler, I'm a fly young felon. Bag full of guap about the size of $1 million. $sign on my eye, money sign with them reppin'. Pussy feel good, but the cheddar feel better. Blowing smoke in the air, so in love with the weather. Hot than the motherfucker, I ain't gotta do the leather. Hit the swap meet, match the white tee with whatever. Foreign kicks with some cargo shorts. Just left the medical spot, we all gon' smoke. LA is my city, you can see it on my hat. Belling through the supermall, bitches staring at my tats. It's a fact that they staring at a Mac. Took them back to the crib, now they staring at my trap. Niggas looking at me hard, must be staring at my hat. Approach my front lawn, now they staring at my cat. We
Cali life living, mind on my in them. Bitches, switches, everybody in them. From Ocean Boulevard all the way to the shop. Catch me at the mall with a flock full of eyes. Ain't nothing changed, still sunny days. Ooh, it's just that West Coast living. Ain't changed, Cali life man. Ooh, it's just that West Coast living.
and we don't tricks on no bitch, kid, that's what it is. Put a coat on the goat and a wig on the pig. Better watch where you pimpin' and killing no fig. Them Hoover criminals grimy, kidnap your bitch. Better watch your dress codes, B's and C's. All them other suckers copycats, D's and G's. I love Cali like I love paper. Pockets full of blood money, blue Chuck Taylors. Don't ever approach a gunfight swinging with a knife. Bullets ignite on sight, this the Cali life. You can ball overnight if you do it right. Hit the wrong gas station, you can lose your life. Are you an aggressor or a finesser? A somewhere low-key, can't handle the pressure. Keep your head to the sky, these niggas will test you. Stash your dope real good, these pigs will stretch you. California.
Cali life living, mind on my denim. Bitches, switches, everybody in them. From Ocean Boulevard all the way to the shop. Catch me at the mall with a flock full of eyes. Ain't nothing changed, still sunny days. It's just that West Coast living. Later lane change, Cali life made. It's just that West Coast living. Cali life living, mind on my denim. Bitches, switches, everybody in them. From Ocean Boulevard all the way to the shop. Catch me at the mall with a flock full of eyes. Ain't nothing changed, still sunny days. It's just that West Coast living. Later lane change, Cali life made. It's just that West Coast living. It's the Cali life. It's the Cali life. It's the Cali life. It's just that West Coast living. It's the Cali life. It's the Cali life.